Hey guys, today I'm doing a coronavirus related video, which of course means a coronavirus inspired makeup look. So I'll start by priming my eyes in this video with the Wet n Wild photofocus concealer in the shade Light Ivory, and I'm using a Morphe brush to blend that out and just put it all over the lid. But yeah, I did my face, my foundation and all that off camera because otherwise this video would go on forever, and I did my brows off camera as well. My routine I did off camera included Nivea Perfect and Radiant Even Tone Day Cream for moisturizer. I used Sorbet BB Cream Perfecting Primer in the shade 03 Medium as primer. Then I used Yardley Stayfast Foundation in the shade Light Medium 1 Neutral and mixed it with Essence Lightening Drops because otherwise the foundation would be too dark for me because I'm very pale. So if you guys want to see a brow tutorial, you can let me know in the comments and what videos you want from me next. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy my video. So next, after I primed my eyes, I went into the James Charles Morphe palette and I started with the dark green color in the outer corner, and that shade is Daddy, and I used a Morphe eyeshadow brush to blend that out. You want to blend it nicely, you don't want any harsh lines. Then I took a new clean Morphe brush and started packing the light green color, starting from the dark shade and bringing it towards the inner corner because you want to blend those two colors together, otherwise you'll have very harsh lines. And that shade is called Social Blade. Then I took a clean blending brush and just blended those colors out. Also guys, I was gonna let you know what kind of things you can do during this time. Yeah, so things I do makeup during the afternoon. You want to find like a hobby that you will enjoy and you want to perfect it so that when we come out of this you'll have something that you could make a job. Yeah, I just do makeup every day. I'll try to do more videos this lockdown because it's like really good to do something instead of just sitting in bed and being bored. Also, I like to work out in the morning. I have a workout routine, I'll link in the description, and I also do evening workouts. Yeah, I do 2 different workouts, so I'll link those in the description. Also, if you guys want to donate anything towards my videos because it's like the only way I'm making an income, I'll link my PayPal account in the description. So the best thing is to find a hobby and practice every day. So like if I like singing, you could practice singing during the lockdown. You could practice an instrument to perfect that hobby. So with my eyes I'm just blending. And then I'm taking a clean Morphe brush, a little one. I don't know the names or the sizes of these brushes because it's the makeup artistry kit. I'll link that in the description. It comes with all different sizes of brushes and stuff. Yeah, so I'm just spraying it with the Instafix and Go setting spray, and that's just gonna like make that shimmery green pop, you know. You can see it's so shiny. Then in the outer corner you just want to blend the dark shade together with the glittery shade, otherwise it's gonna look funny. And taking that dark green shade from the James Charles palette, and I'm just doing that on the bottom lash line because it just brings the look together. And then taking the lighter shade Social Blade and the darker shade is Daddy, so just putting that in the bottom lash line. I'm just going to do that on both eyes, starting with the darker shade on the outer corner, blending that out, and then doing the lighter shade on the inner corner. Yeah, so there's other things you can do during this lockdown, like drawing, just keeping busy, because when you like sleep late and you just stay in bed the whole day, you will tend to become depressed because you feel like you're not doing anything. So yeah, I'm getting out of that habit, waking up early, doing a workout because that wakes you up. And now I'm applying the highlight from the James Charles palette. It's such a nice highlight. I think it's called Face. This palette comes with nice highlighting shades, and I'm just gonna put that same highlight in my brow bone. Just make sure to keep busy. What I did in the first few days, I helped clean the house out, and like, you know, you don't have time for that, and then when you have time you can do those type of things, and yeah, it makes you feel good about yourself. Yeah, I'm applying the Nabi lipstick, and I'll list all the products in the description so you guys can go have a look at those products, maybe buy them if you want. Then I'm using the Great Lash Maybelline mascara. And with the Wet n Wild concealer, I'm just doing dots so that the green can stick to it, so it becomes more pigmented. You want to have those dots in different sizes, and then I take a small brush and put light green in those dots, and then I'll be taking a darker green to make it look more shaded and rounded. But guys, don't sleep all day and stuff. Like, you can find things to do around the house. You could clean your room, you could repack your cupboards, because we know sometimes the cupboards get really messy, you know. And you could clean your room properly and do like a whole spring clean. Yeah, so that is the completed look. I just made like coronavirus emojis, if you want to call it that. And yeah, that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for listening and watching, and let me know what videos you want me to do next in the comments. Also, if you're wondering, I got my hair done by Flavor Design. Rainbow holographic hair. I'll link the video on the process.